Welcome to Carnival's brand new private destination, Celebration Key. I know a lot of you have already heard about it and maybe even seen some of the mixed reviews. But today, we're giving you the real deal. A full tour from ship to shore. We'll take you through the lagoons, the cabanas, the beaches, and the exclusive Pearl Cove. It's Carnival's bold attempt at creating something very different.
Good morning and welcome to Celebration Key.
5 unique portals, each with their own vibe.
We are now in the Starfish Lagoon Peninsula.
Whether you want grown-up relaxation, family fun, a touch of luxury, or an authentic slice of Bahamian culture, it's there. It's colorful, it's playful, it's designed with Carnival cruisers in mind, and for many, it's quickly becoming the highlight of their voyage. So let's step into each portal together. Good morning, and welcome to Celebration Key.
Years of waiting is finally over, and today we get to go explore.
Good morning. This is your first taste of the island. A sun-shaped arc beckons you in, backed by a 10-story sun castle, a whimsical giant sandcastle centerpiece, live music, a Bahamian-style fountain, ice cream shop, guest services, and excursion desks all create a festive welcome atmosphere. Once you arrive, you'll find routes branching out to other portals via foot or the tram system. Looking at the map, we'll start on the far right and work our way all the way around, and then continue all the way and ending at Pearl Cove. Welcome to Starfish Lagoon. Geared towards families and kids, this zone includes a sandy beach and expansive freshwater lagoon, the largest in the Caribbean, a guppy grotto splash pad with shallow pool and dump buckets, thrilling family water slides, flash flamingo, Mach 3 marlin, racing around a sandcastle, each over 350 feet long. The price of admission for the entire day is $14.99 per person. This place is massive, with calm, clear water perfect for families, swimming, or just floating the day away. And if you're looking to upgrade your day, you can rent one of these private cabanas. They're stocked with comfy seating, shade, and often come with little extras to make your stay more relaxed. Here's an example of what you get with a large cabana for 6. You get a cabana concierge, snacks such as chips, dip, and fresh fruit, water and soda, complimentary lunch from a curated selection, and unlimited rides on the Sun Castle racing slides all day long. It's a great option if you want a home base for the day, especially with kids in tow. But here's the best part. You don't have to rent anything. Carnival has filled the lagoon area with plenty of complimentary loungers, and they're free for everyone to use. You've always got a place to relax. And for families, Starfish Lagoon is designed with you in mind. Shallow areas, splash zones, and nearby dining make it easy to spend the entire day right here without ever feeling rushed. As we continued our walk, we ran into some lockers. So if you're wondering what to do with your belongings while you swim, no worries. Celebration Key has plenty of lockers available right here at Starfish Lagoon. They're easy to access, and you can rent them for the day. You've got a couple options. Medium lockers are $15 for the full day or $5 hourly. Larger lockers are $20 for the day or $10 hourly. And just so you know, there are restrooms conveniently located right near Starfish Lagoon. Carnival made sure they're not an afterthought. You don't have to trek halfway across the island when nature calls. They're air-conditioned, spacious, and kept surprisingly clean throughout the day. There's also showers on one side of them so you can rinse off. Now, if you really want to feel as though you've escaped to your own private corner of paradise, you're going to want to head over to Starfish Lagoon Peninsula. This stretch juts right out into the lagoon and is lined with premium cabanas. Each one has shade, cushioned seating, and table service, making it the perfect base if you're planning to spend the whole day here. But please keep in mind, you don't have to spend extra to enjoy the views. The peninsula also has plenty of complimentary loungers tucked along the sand. It's a quieter spot to relax with some of the best angles of the lagoon all around you. Now, before we leave the Starfish Lagoon and all its family-friendly fun, we can't forget about the sporting access that you'll have. Basketball, volleyball, and pickleball are all included. There's also some really great food options, like Gill's Grill. Now we'll dive a little bit deeper into just food on Celebration Key. We'll give you the information so that you are fully prepared once you arrive. Next up is Calypso Lagoon, the adult-friendly portal. This is a sophisticated balance of relaxation and energy. Calypso Lagoon offers the vast freshwater lagoon, the largest in the Caribbean, an adjacent beach for lounging or float about, a world's largest swim-up bar with a DJ island, and food trucks. Now let's talk about the whole food situation.
With your Sail and Sign card, you get one free meal. You just gotta make sure it says Island Eats on whatever restaurant you're trying to go to, and you get one complimentary meal with your Sail and Sign card. So that's nice. You don't have to pay for everything. You do get something included.
So what is Island Eats? Well, Island Eats is Carnival's system for food benefits when you visit Celebration Key. Every guest gets one Island Eats credit per visit. You can use that credit in one of two ways. 1. Complimentary fast casual meal. That means at one of the quick service spots, be it food trucks, snack shacks, or fast casual walk-ups, you get a full meal there. Or 2. 25% off one entree in a full-service restaurant. If you prefer a sit-down venue, you can use your credit for a 25% discount on one entree at one of the full-service restaurants. You can use your Sail and Sign card, which is your room key, to redeem your Island Eats benefit at the casual spots you swipe when ordering. If you're ordering for your cabin mates, you can use the credit for the people in your room, but each person gets only one credit and your cards are tied to each person. Be careful that you don't use someone else's credit accidentally. Here's what's included: the complimentary meal at fast casual outlets, or the discount at full-service restaurants. Here's what's not included: drinks other than water, premium items, anything beyond your one credit, or meals in certain premium areas unless you pay extra. Also, full drink packages from the ship like Cheers do not apply at Celebration Key.
So we just got 2 boxes of food. We got some sauces, we got some coleslaw. All of this was part of the Sail and Sign card inclusion, I guess. Yeah, part of Island Eats. So we didn't have to pay for this. This is all included.
So that's what you need to know regarding food on Celebration Key. Now, there's been a key update to one of Celebration Key's most talked about spots, Calypso Lagoon. Originally designed as an adult-only escape, Calypso Lagoon had restricted access, with certain areas like daybeds and swim-up bars limited to guests 18 and older. But as of September 6th, 2025, Carnival has officially changed the age policy. Now, guests 13 and older are welcome to enjoy the daybeds and some of the previously adults-only features at Calypso Lagoon. It's a big shift, making the lagoon more inclusive for families with teens, while still keeping a relaxed vibe. However, if you're looking for a true adults-only space, Cove Beach Club remains strictly 18 and up, with no changes there. For those craving exclusivity, this adult-only retreat features an 11,000 square foot infinity pool with sweeping ocean views, private beach access, and elevated dining service. There are 3 tiers when it comes to Pearl Cove. The first is the access only, or the basic access. For about $100 a person, you get entry into Pearl Cove, use of the infinity pool, the beachfront, premium loungers, access to the full-service restaurant. It includes a welcome drink, rum punch or equivalent. The next level up is the open bar for about $140 a person. You get all of the basic access, plus an open bar up to 10 drinks per person, including domestic beer, house wine, well drinks, rum punch, and frozen cocktails. Next is the all-inclusive tier for about $180 a person. Access to 10 drinks, premium lunch from Pearl Cove's restaurant, essentially the top package for full food and drink inclusion. I need to make it clear that food is only included in that top tier. If you pick a cheaper tier, food is extra. Next up is Locono Cove. It's the retail and culture portal. A vibrant showcase of Bahamian artistry and local flavor. Artisan vendors, live music, and Bahamian-made goods. It's a duty-free shopping including jewelry and diamonds. Helpful amenities like coffee stands and access points for excursions or taxis are also there. So if you've been on the fence about Celebration Key, hopefully this tour gave you a fresh perspective. Come with an open mind, explore each portal, and find a version of paradise that fits your cruise day. Because at the end of the day, it's not just a port. It's your own little piece of paradise, unlocked only by Carnival. If you've enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We've got plenty more cruise adventures, ship tours, and destination guides coming your way. Until next time, happy sailing.